Okay, see Lindelof videos. Find three-dimensional distance between points. Of course, we're just going to use the distance formula in 3 dimensions. It's not super hard, but I did want to show you how to use your store function to make this work. It's actually pretty easy. Let's take a really quick look. First thing we're going to do is go to our home screen, choose calculator, and we're going to put in that distance formula just with something a little bit different about the way we're going to do it. So what we're going to do is, right, we need x minus x sub 1, but I need to put in these values, so I'm going to call it x minus a squared plus, right, y minus b quantity squared plus z minus c quantity squared. I'm going to take a really quick look at this, make sure I did it right. Just want to be clear about why I'm doing it the way I'm doing it. I need to put in the values of those 2 points that I have, and I can't put in x sub 1, so I'm just going to put it in this way. So the first point is going to be the point x, y, z. The second point is going to have x, y, z values of a, b, and c. I think that makes sense. I'm going to use my right cursor to get out from underneath the radical. I'm going to use the store function, which is just control where it says variable. If you look carefully in red, it says store. I'm going to store this. Now I have to store it really carefully because I have to store it as x, y, z, right? The first point. The second point, remember, had the x, y, and z values of a, b, and c. I'm taking a really quick look at this because if you put it in wrong, it's really hard to figure out what the hell you did wrong. So there's that done. Now check this out. I can just type in f. When the f comes up bold, or when any letter comes up bold, it's the calculator reminding you that you have a stored function. So I'm going to put this value in, and the first point was the point 3, negative 1, 5. So 3, negative 1, comma 5. The second point was the point 2, 1, negative 1. So 2, 1, negative 1. If I did this right, I'm going to get square root of 41. Boom! That was really easy. This is one of those things, if you had a test to do in 3-dimension and you were to find a 3-dimensional distance, instead of having to plug all this crap in, you could just set it up this way. Just remember that it is a little bit important that you set it up with the ability to hold 2 points. 2 points, and we have x, y, and z points, and that I labeled the second point a, b, c correspondingly. All right, I don't think this took very long. We're 2 minutes and 45 seconds. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. I think I almost always answer questions and comments. If you haven't already subscribed, would you please? Appreciate it.